The lawyer representing the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, Oluwakemi Pinheiro, on Friday, June 2nd, tried creating a scene before the Presidential Election Petition Court when presidential candidate of the Labour Party, Peter Obi, rendered supplementary INEC forms EC8As from Rivers State and as exhibits. Obi and his party are challenging the victory of Tinubu at the polls. Recall that Tinubu, the flag bearer of the All Progressives Congress APC, was declared the winner of the election after securing 8.7 million votes. The petitioners, who were aggrieved by the outcome, approached the tribunal challenging Tinubu's victory on several grounds. However, Pinheiro, during the hearing of the petition on Friday, was called to order by the 5-man panel of the court led by Justice Haruna Samani. Obi's legal team, represented by Peter Obi Afuba SAN, told the court that he wanted to begin today's proceedings by tendering the supplementary CTCs of INEC forms EC8As for Rivers and Niger State. The court subsequently directed that lawyers will only object or oppose the tendering of any CTC of INEC certified true copy. Yeah, I think that's what that means. INEC documents, but we reserve citing reasons for their objections in their written final address. When Afuba was done, Pinheiro stood up and objected to the tendering of the electoral materials. He went on to criticize the INEC forms EC8As presented from Rivers State, stating that these documents are strange. However, Justice Samani quickly interjected and asked why he was advancing his reasons for objection when it had been ordered by the court that the reasons for opposing tendering of INEC certified copies or documents should be advanced in the written address of lawyers, not at the point of tendering from the bar. Respect the rule of law or the rule of the country, of the court, Justice Haruna Samani told him. The panel moved away from Pinheiro and asked Yusuf Ali, the legal representation of the APC, his position on the supplementary electoral materials from Rivers State. Ali also objected to it that, but noted that he would advance the reasons in his final address before final judgment, as directed by the court. The court subsequently admitted the remaining INEC forms EC8As from Rivers State as Obi's exhibits. Afterwards, Justice Samani adjourned hearing on the petition to Monday, June 5th. It reminds me of all these APC spokespersons, supporters, this and that. When they are being interviewed, they are always aggressive. They are always like, no. They will, maybe most of the time the interviewers will say, just calm down, just calm down. They will be on top of their voice because they just want to, like, no, don't ask me this question. You're not supposed to be asking me this question. And why can't you be asking me this kind of question? That is exactly what they have gone there to display. This is what is called certified true copies. It was as INEC that gave the so-called copies. So why objecting? Why is it that they don't want the court to admit that? Who gave them? They are not telling us. They say they were going to tell Nigerians why it's happened, why they are objecting it. You ought to have known. And what we are hearing is that most of the documents have not even been released to the Obis and the Labour Party. They know. And the supporters who are supporting them know. They don't just want anybody to talk about it. You came third, just go and sit down, move on, come back next year, how many years? But now it is the turn of Tinubu. Why should you be arguing it? After all, people in the north did not vote for you. That is not what we are talking about. Maybe at the end of the day, when Tinubu wins now, it will give him more courage. If it is going to be judged, or let's even assume that at the end of the day, he wins in court. At least, don't you know that he's going to make his mandate more solid? But as it is now, one leg in, one leg out. Let us just forget this petition of a thing. Nigeria has denied Peter Obi his victory. Tinubu don't enter. Be say he don't enter. Court won't change anything. You are unserious for saying that. I still don't understand the reasoning for all these judgments or for all this adjournment, because the courts have to close for the day and continue another day. Or Abi, you want them to continue sitting non-stop till eternity? This is not a child's play at all. Oh. Hey, where as court places, it's not a child's play at all. People say we should just forget about it and we'll continue to dwell in impunity and in all this calamity. Well, we can see the results. They cherry pick what they want to, the court cherry pick, or even the government cherry pick the law they want to abide with. So unfortunate. So guys, let's say your opinion and have your take on this.